Okay, let's talk about DSCR loans. DSCR loans. You say, Josh, what is a DSCR loan? This is my video this is my video, my YouTube page, or this is my playlist where I go through and I explain every loan type I can come up with. All right, so DSCR loans. This loan is all about helping you have more doors. More doors? Yeah, that's what you need. You need more doors because every door is something, like this door, that is my tractor payment. This door, this is my car payment. This door, this is my payment on my boat. This door, that you say, what are you talking about, Josh? Well, there are people in the rental property world that own rental property, and they say, I make $300 a month on this property and it pays for my car payment. Or they say I make $800 a month on this property and it pays for my boat repair bill. Anyway, DSCR loans are all about rental property. It's about owning rental property and how to purchase rental property. Okay, DSCR stands for debt service credit ratio. Debt service credit ratio loan. These loans are they're specifically for rental property. If you're a first time home buyer, this loan is not for you. You're wanting to buy your first house, this is not your loan. This loan is for people who are trying to get what? More doors. They want more rental property. Okay, this mortgage type, it replaces your income. Instead of you bringing pay stubs and tax returns, you're bringing this property that you're going to buy. You say, I found this house. It's a duplex. It's already got two renters in it at $1,800 a month each. So it's bringing in $3,600 a month. If I could just buy it, their $3,600 could pay the payment. Well, the bank says, okay, we'll make a loan for you based on that. But I need you to have skin in the game because if you want more doors, we need more money. So they want you to bring 20 to 25%. There are some niche products, not niche DSCR loans out there that'll allow you to bring maybe 15% down if you've got a great history of rentals and you know what you're doing and you anyway. But typically just imagine if you're buying a $100,000 DSCR property, you need to bring $20,000 down. If you want more doors, you got to have a little bit more down payment money. Let's look at the ratio. Let's look at how this works. The DSCR ratio is it's the net operating income of the property, like for the example we talked about with $3,600 a month coming in, 1,800 on two doors, that $3,600 a month divided by the total debt service payment. That's principal, interest, taxes, insurance, plus. You say, what are the plus? Well, if there's an association fees or if there are assessments coming up or maybe you got extra flood insurance or anything that you might have that is a plus, we got to calculate into that plus. And so if let's make it a more simple example. If the rental income is $1,000 a month, you would get an 8.8 would be your DSCR if the cost of the property was $800 a month. If it's $1,000 a month for the principal, interest, insurance, taxes, all of that stuff, then it's a one. It's a 1 to 1. And so DSCR, different DSCR loans, they tell you what that ratio needs to be. And so that's how they're calculated. That's what they are. Sometimes we're going to look at your tax returns and your pay stubs, but typically what we're doing is we're ignoring your tax returns. I need you to have a credit score. It's going to have to be a little higher than it's not an FHA deal where I can go down to 580. I'm going to need you to have a decent credit score up in the 600s. 700 would be great. 800 would be a bonus. Um, they're powerful. This is a powerful tool for investors. It shifts the underwriting from how much you make to how much cash flow the property can generate. That opens up opportunities for investors. Just be careful, look at the numbers closely, and call me if this is something that might fit for you. We'll get you rolling with a debt service credit ratio loan. These are DSCRs. Don't hesitate to go ahead and apply if you want to say, Josh, can I do this? Go ahead. Go to talktojosh.net, click apply now. Just fill it out as full as you can. Shoot me a text, give me a call. We'll start working on it. I have options for DSCR loans at 15-year 30-year. We might even have a 40-year term available for some well-qualified borrowers. Um, the DSCR, it's what's allowable is going to be, um, we're going to want that ratio to be one or better. Um, Credit score, maybe I can go down to 620. Anyway, those are some of the details. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Let's get you rolling. I'm ready for you to have what? More doors, right? More doors, baby. That's what everybody in the real estate business who owns rental properties looking for. I want more doors. Let's help you get some more doors.